Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another miner slash game. It's actually game, but I'm just gonna call it miner, or we're just gonna call it the miner game, whatever. It's the name of the game is a Tonpoke game, and basically, if you don't have money to invest into that, you won't be able to really get any benefit from it because the tempo of mining the tone is going to be like super low, but I'm just gonna go through and just show you guys what's going on here. So we can press the information button over there, and that's gonna basically explain all the info here to how to level up basically the character. So we have power, TPD, and the number of slots, so basically tokens per day. The higher the level, the higher your TPD is basically, and then TPD is the tokens per level, the number of T-Poke tokens you earn daily. Then we have the slots, the number of additional Pokemons you can collect. So obviously, if you will have 3 Pokemons, that will significantly boost your mining. And then you have the power, the total strength of the all Pokemon you own. And you can go through and I'm going to explain you all the thing. I don't really want to talk much about it because simply, like I said, if you don't really have money to invest, you don't really going to have any benefit from it. I'm just genuinely want to show you guys as fast as possible what we have here. So we have the Pokemon. The first is for free, so we can press that, and then that's gonna show us the stats of the Pokemon. And as you can see, the power of mining is like so low, so you're never really going to get anything from it. We can press the boost button, I believe so, to upgrade, and then we need to have the amount, which is telling us, I don't really know, do I have any? Like, can I confirm and check? Do I have something on the wallet that I can actually upgrade? No. Nope. So, well, basically the idea is to obviously spend ton to get ton, and don't get me wrong, like, I think it's going to be good investment because at the end of the day, that will basically grant you back or whatever you are going to invest. But obviously, if we don't have anything to invest, that's then a bad part. So I'm just gonna go through the old tabs. Down there we have the bag. So the bag is basically showing us the Pokemons we are running. Then we have the invite button, so you can use my ref, and then 10% of your profits guy I will have as a ton, and then 1000 T-Poke for your invited friends. So okay, whatever. Then we have the quests. So actually I haven't done any of those, so you can get some points, although I don't really know what we can use those points for, because as you can see, you need to actually spend the ton. We have the box, and to open that box we need the 5 ton, and I don't mind if I do, but I don't have the 5 ton. Then we have something like, fuck me, like super pricey thing, like 1000 ton, 99 tons, and 49 tons. So I mean, at some point, if I be able to win some huge prize, I really don't mind to invest into that, because at the end of the day, this is basically good way of mining ton, right? And then we have some gift code here. On the top we have 2 boxes, we have like rank. So as you can see, there are people who are not fucking around and they're just mining. And then we have the check-in to receive hidden reward, random poke, or check-in, and the check-in is for the half ton. Obviously that's a good way to get something if you actually already demining the ton, right? Because you don't really want to check in with sort of your assets, you just want to mine those assets within this app, and that's pretty much that's it. Because like I said, it's like if you don't have money to begin with to invest, You are not going to get much value from this. But I see this application, this miner, as basically the app I'm going to run on daily basis. Well, currently it is what it is, but at some point where, like I said, I'm going to win something or whatever. I think it's just a matter of time, because if you are like running 50 or 60 apps per day, you will eventually hit somewhere the price, or you will have just the airdrops, and it's the matter of time. You just the hardest part is not to get actually rewards from those apps, because that's the main idea, to have airdrops from lots of apps, and they are all connected to the same wallet. The hardest part is to figure it out to what those assets you wanna invest in. So that's why you just need to basically do the research and just write down somewhere in your notepad, whatever, like how much asset do you need. So let's say, for argument's sake, maybe you just need 10 or maybe 20. And then if you're going to win 20 tons, then you will exactly know what to do, because it's like the easiest part is just to spend those assets, those tons, because you can just genuinely go to some shitty game, whatever, BOINKERS, and then you can just spend 20 tons and you're not going to get anything from it. So that's obviously not ideal. You just basically genuinely wanna have like 5, 10, 15, 20 apps already in mind. That's what I do, at least. And all of those apps usually supposed to be like super low maintenance. Like you just need to pay, let's say, 1 ton or half ton to activate for the future airdrops, because this one is like super pricey. But I genuinely believe in any app in that ecosystem, so I guess this app is going to be amazing as well. We just simply need to invest in it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now.